Hello everyone, how are you? Okay, 左先生 Skyward Micron salute. Okay, no problem. Hello. Good evening, Sui Wachin. Okay, hello Jordan. Okay, come back to Brusa Malaysia already Inari, Unisem, DNO and Tofu. Okay, no problem. Okay, so please help me to click like and also share this live session now. Okay, so we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, so yeah, let's warm up with the market outlook, which is include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBMK LCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan. Okay, and help me to share lah. Okay, of course, so we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, market comeback already, right? So yeah, click a like as well. Okay, disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, hello, my Penang. Okay, so yeah, let's warm up first. Let's go through the US market. Okay, so for US side, okay, although Monday they have a strong sell lah. Yesterday made a comeback. Okay, they erase. Okay, for Dow Jones, they erase the Monday losses. Okay, so now every morning we just need to check out on Dow Jones, Nasdaq or S&P to see how is the market sentiment. Okay, if they close bullish, okay, market likely our US market, our Bursa market likely to go up. Okay, but if you see the US market down maybe 500 points and above, then most likely our Malaysian market will be red day lah. Okay, at the moment what we can see on Wednesday today, right? Market, okay, futures market already open gap up and currently going up lah. Okay, due to the good news. Okay, so last week market down was the bearish. Okay, bad news lah, bad news. Okay, and yesterday they come out to clarify already and market made a comeback lah. So seems market still got chance to go up further. Okay, so I would say as long as they are above this gap, I'm still pretty bullish with the Dow Jones. Okay, 39.2k. And for US 30, which is a S&P, okay, they also open gap up. So for the support, I would say so long they are above 5280, I'm still pretty bullish with them. Okay, I think they still have potential to go up further. Okay, based on the news side and also the market momentum. Okay, Nasdaq as well, they already erased the Monday losses. Okay, so today open gap up and okay, and they are pushing up further. Okay, and also they filled the gap on which happened on last Wednesday lah. Okay, so I think yeah, so long they are above the 18220. Okay, so far US market is still on the bullish bias. Okay, bullish side lah. How about the oil price? Okay, oil price in my opinion is not that strong. Okay, even though they have rallied these few days, but due to previously they break down the important support, now turn into the resistance. Okay, unless they can recover back above 65 or 67s, okay, we only can say oil price is back to the bull side. Okay, otherwise I would say they are remain bearish. And how about the gold price? Okay, everyone, yeah, auntie, uncle, all want to buy gold. But we can see yesterday market had a shooting star like candle. Okay, seems like at the moment 3005 is the peak, and they, or if you notice the gold price they has been ready for so many days already, about 2 weeks already lah. So time for them to maybe have some rest lah. Okay, maybe come back to 3241 or come back to 20 MA. Okay, so at the moment 20 MA, let me see, 20 MA is about 3170. Okay, 3170. Stay above, I think were considered as the healthy correction or healthy retracement. Okay, they are still pretty bullish, and I would say maybe temporarily profit taking activities for the gold price. So for those who really want to buy, yeah, you can wait for the price come back down lower, then you slowly buy lah. But for me, not so attractive already lah if compared to Bitcoin lah. Okay, so Bitcoin, what we can see yesterday, they already broken out above 88k, broken up above 90k, and also above 92k. Okay, seems like they make a very strong comeback. So long the price above 90k, I am still pretty bullish with the Bitcoin. And because previously they are below 200 MAs. Okay, now they recovered above 200 MAs. Seems like okay, they might prepare for the next big movement. Okay, maybe lah. Okay, so I think at least they come back already, so still got potential to go up further. Okay, and how about the Ethereum? Okay, Ethereum yesterday also follow with the crypto market sentiment lah. They also jalan sikit. Okay, but due to the trend was very bearish. Okay, we can they can consider downtrend since last year end already. Okay, downtrend until today. Okay, so when they go up, they surely will face a lot of overhead resistance. Okay, tentatively 1008 is their important level to break up. Okay, once they break out, you need to see 2000, 2003, 2005 like that. Okay, and how about our FBMK LCI? Okay, still boleh tahan. Okay, but bear in mind that our FBMK LCI is in the downtrend. Okay, see, it's in a downtrend channel. So what can we expect? Okay, our expectation is just a rebound only. Okay, take this opportunity to do a short-term bounce up trade. Okay, once you feel the market started to get greedy or everyone for more, okay, maybe it's time for us to at least take some partial. Okay, if happen you are able to get at the lower price and you see the market bounce up, okay, maybe time for you to take some partial profit. Okay, protect a bit first in case. Okay, once they go up, then they gonna U-turn again. Okay, at least you got profit in your pocket already. Okay, so tentatively one of the challenge, okay, they need to clear 1503. Okay, once they can clear 1503, okay, what I see is the potential resistance is 1530, 1540. Okay, this is one of the level. Maybe for me maybe I will consider to protect some profit first. Okay, if happen the price able to come to 1530, 1540. Okay, so yeah, we see lah tomorrow whether they can clear 1503 first. Okay, so yeah, this is overall market sentiment. Okay, let's go for the stocks Q&A. Okay, first one is a Skyward. Okay, a comeback. Okay, ada chance lah if based on here. Yeah, I think tonight we will see a lot of good setup lah. Okay, good setup. Okay, so based on the line I draw here I can delete already. Okay, what you can see here was a support, right? 475, 490 was a support back in last year. Okay, so they broken down, now turn into resistance. Okay, so at least we can see where is the resistance, your immediate resistance, and also I will use a 200 MAs as my resistance too. Okay, so yeah, let's zoom in and see what happened. Okay, support. Okay, they do have a support somewhere around 390 and 40 cents. Okay, a stress test on 7th of April, but doesn't matter. Market able to go sideways. Okay, first signal came on last Friday. Okay, last Friday they have volumes already. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, retrace. Okay, and you can see the volume is low. And today, breakout 445 with volumes lah, boleh tahan lah. So meaning they baru do a breakout only mah, right? So long the price above 445, okay, this breakout is still valid. Okay, and just now we mentioned already, this is a resistance. 475, 490 is your R1. This is your R1 zone. Okay, if happen they can break out again, yeah, 200 MA is your R2. Okay, so at least we can see R1, R2. If you entered earlier, yeah, of course you can do a trading stop so long they are above 445. Yeah, still good lah. So let me see, momentum still boleh. So this one we can put in our upcoming watch list lah. Skyward, okay, boleh. How about the Micron Lin? Okay, this one recently also diam ada volume. Okay, this one pending for the breakout only lah. Okay, these counters. Okay, when was that? Last year March they got a big sell down. Okay, looks like a rapu based on the chart. Okay, recently the volume improved lah. 17, 18, Monday also 21st of April, and also today volume improve. Okay, so yeah, the crucial resistance for them to clear 195.20 cents. Okay, once they can clear here, and also this is a 200 MAs. Okay, once they can clear here, okay, maybe you can see under here 240 until 280 as your R1, R2. Okay, got volume come, and yeah, pending for the breakout only lah. Okay, if they are not able to break out, yeah, come back lah. Okay, come back and continue sideways. So based on the volume here and also the MACD momentum point of view, yeah, I think the chances of breaking out is there, and we need the price to close above 20 cents. Okay, once they close above 20 cents, yeah, cantik lah, breakout successfully. Okay, then you can see 240, 240, 280 as your R1, R2. Okay, how about the Salute? Oh, ada volume as well. Okay, all goreng together. Okay, but also bear in mind lah. Salute also before that this one also kena sell down very fearful. Okay, so what we can expect on this counter is just a rebound dulu lah. Okay, don't expect too much first. Just expect they are just a temporarily rebound. Okay, so from here we can agak draw the first resistance. Okay, volume ada today. Consider a breakout lah. Okay, consider a breakout above. Maybe I can put at a 225 level. So long above 225, 220. Okay, so long above 225, 220, I will say they are still strong. But also bear in mind, okay, take note on here. Okay, which is a 265, 290. And I don't expect they can go up too much due to their characteristic lah. Okay, this is what I worried the most. Okay, if happen, okay, extra lah, bonus if they are able to break through 290, yeah, take note on the 40 cents level already 410. Okay, 415 would be their ultimate resistance. Okay, but yeah, don't put too much hope lah. Okay, we just aim 265 and 290 first. Okay, then only see how it's going. Okay, how about yeah, Inari? Okay, Inari, come back. Okay, the day before today, okay, actually they are still not that good looking. Okay, they are struggle, and yeah, last Thursday boleh tahan they also ada open gap up, tapi also kena gap down lah. But sideways for a couple of days. Okay, today volume slight improve lah. At least we can see today volume slightly higher than previous days. Okay, so I will say, okay, based on the MACD point of view, okay, they do have a sign of bottoming. Okay, they do have potential lah. Okay, also overall market sentiment, I think still favor to the slightly bullish sentiment. So I guess it's still alright. Okay, so for this Inari, as long as they are above 165, I think okay to KFV. And the next resistance, yeah, psychology level, which is 2 ringgit. Okay, once they can clear 2 ringgit, you also see the gap here lah. Okay, 233, 228. Okay, this is a gap resistance. Okay, so based on here, I think they do have potential. Okay, so long the US market sentiment remain bullish, yeah, I think they do have potential to push up further. Okay, maybe to test a 2 ringgit or fill the gap here, 228, 233. Okay, how about Unisem? Okay lah, also ada volumes lah. Okay, let me see. Boleh tahan only. Okay, not the setup I very like. Okay, but at least we can see some hammer over here lah. Okay, at least we can see they are trying to support or they are trying to defend this level. Okay, so maybe I can put a 185 and 181. Okay, at least you can see okay, they already gonna sell down for so many months. Okay, at least you can see they're trying to defend somewhere around 181 to 185. Okay, they're trying to defend here. Okay, but if speaking about strong or not, I would say not so strong. Okay, the rebound due to maybe due to overall market sentiment comeback already. They also want to rebound lah. Okay, so for them to make a comeback or reversal or what, I think they still need some time. Okay, so yeah, if you want to see a closer formation is okay, they do potential doing a bottoming. Okay, for them to make a comeback, they need to have a breakout. Okay, they need to break out at least 211 and above. Okay, then maybe we'll have short-term bounce up. Okay, but these counters we can see lah, they cannot sell down for so long already. Last year August cannot sell until now. So now seems like from March until now, okay, about 1 month plus they has been in sideways around here. So we can say that this could be a potential bottoming, and for them to make a comeback, okay, they need to clear 211. Okay, what if? Okay, I put a round figure lah. Okay, 180. If they go below 180, sorry already, very dangerous already. They may sell down further. Okay, if they break below 180. Okay, how about the DNO? DNO, yeah, they also quite similar. Actually, most of them are okay. They do have some, how to say, the selling pressure already stopped. Okay, but the buyer okay only, not that strong. Okay, they yet to break a crucial resistance. Okay, based on today price session, at least we can see a mini hammer, volume improve sikit. So what we can expect is, okay, maybe they follow the overall market sentiment, okay, just to bounce up to test a resistance now. Okay, so what I see, the resistance is a 140, 145. Okay, this is a first resistance that they need to clear. Okay, otherwise you can see this counter also quite similar lah. They also gonna sell down. Okay, now create a bottom somewhere around 115. Okay, but they are still within the box. Okay, they yet to break out from the box. So for me is not so strong yet lah. Okay, but short term, yeah, due to the market sentiment, they might follow jalan a little bit more. Okay, this is a DNO. How about the tofu? Yeah, also the same. They also not really have any significant breakout lah. Okay, I can say. Okay, so but volume point of view, I would say quite interesting. Okay, when they pump out, the volume is really huge one. Okay, and today volume also improved, but they yet to break above very crucial level. Okay, for this tofu is a 120 level. Okay, but based on the pre-confirmation signal, I would say, okay, they do have some momentum. Okay, short-term bullish momentum is there lah. Okay, a confirmation is when they can close above 120 would be more cantik. Okay, then you may see 140, 1450 or even higher. Okay, so I would say, yeah, temporarily they do have chance to bounce up. Okay, also due to market sentiment. If the sentiment no good, they might back to where they belongs lah. Okay, and immediate resistance 103, 107. Okay, clear these two level, then you can see 120 already lah. Okay, but yeah, provided market sentiment not bad, okay, they do have chance to make a comeback lah. Okay, because yeah, in fact our market sentiment is quite rely on the US sentiment. Okay, so like it or not, we still need to follow lah. Okay, so Triren from my Penang. Okay, today are the volumes. This volume not too bad. Okay, so yeah, but because this counter is quite a new counter, November 2024 until now only, okay, less than half year or so, right? So IPO pump up, sideways, gonna sell down. Okay, now seems like Triren. Okay, looks sounds like children. Okay, children. They also found a bottom somewhere around 205. Today they ada breakout lah. Okay, they break out 240. So for me, at least ada breakout, and the volume, okay, looks not bad. Okay, and they filled the gap. Okay, they do have a gap down on 7th of April, but at least they come back to fill the gap already with such volume. MACD cross up, so I think they do have potential to move out further. Okay, tapi they need to clear these crucial resistance hold on, not 285, 290. Okay, so 290 was a support, turned into resistance. Now they need to clear here. So based on today's price session and the volume, I think they do have potential to test the resistance first. Okay, if they can close above 290, then you can see 320, 365 as your R1, R2. Okay, tentatively your R1 would be 290. And yeah, based on overall market sentiment point of view, I think boleh tengok lah 3 run. Okay, how about this Cresdo? Okay, they do pull up. Okay, tapi the volumes not really convincing lah, in my opinion. Okay, one thing good about this counter is they recovered above 115. Okay, which was a very crucial support. Okay, they recovered already. Okay, now they are still in a rebounding mode. Okay, today market sentiment supposedly to be okay punya mah, not too bad mah. But they not really jalan that much lah, and they are not able to clear 122. Okay, so still the same. Take note on your resistance 122, 125, 130. So I will say, yeah, I will consider them as a rebound mode. Okay, still in a rebounding mode. So support to take note. Maybe I will put somewhere around 118. So long they are above, closing above 118, still have potential lah. Okay, tapi if they close below 118, not much potential. I mean, how to say the momentum not so nice lah. Okay, no momentum already if they go below 118. Okay, how about the JCY? Okay, JCY also have a so-called hammer. Also have a high volume comeback. Okay, so back in 7th of April, they do have a gap down. They break down below 345, which is very ugly. Okay, 10, 11, 14 of April, they have volume recovered. Okay, recover above 345 and 340 like that lah. Today with a hammer, a light candle with volumes. Okay, looks like not too bad. Okay, at least the support they recovered already. So based on here, I would say, okay, I will put here 330. So long they are above 330, yeah, the rebounding mode is still there. So 375, 390 would be your R1, R2. Yeah, I think on Monday I do mention some of the counter looks like bottoming punya feeling. So yeah, today come already lah. Okay, Axiata, I think on Monday I do covered that. Okay, I do mention they do have a successful breakout 192. Tuesday neutral, and today another push lah. So far so good lah. I would say the rebound is still ongoing. Okay, still ongoing. So ultimately I will see until 215 and 220. But of course I need you to take note on the 100 MAs lah. 207. Okay, take note on 207 is your immediate resistance. If they can clear off successfully 215 to 220. Okay, so long the overall market sentiment is okay, I think they do have potential to break through lah, 207. Okay, how about the ENO? ENO, nothing much. Okay, other people jalan already, but today they neutral. I would say they are more on neutral mode, and this counter is still below 200 MAs. Okay, ENO, I have no comment on them yet. Okay, I would say they are still bearish. They are still below 200 MAs, and not really strong until, okay, if they can go up above 855, then will be better for them. Okay, otherwise I would say more on sideways mode lah. Okay, so let me see volume here. Yeah, they do have huge volume on 8th of April. 11 okay, 15 other volumes to be resisted by 815. Okay, more on neutral mode lah. Okay, neutral mode to sideways and slightly bearish. Okay, so how about the, yeah, tentatively I see ENO nothing yet lah. Okay, I see maybe they will go neutral lah. Okay, so Doufu, yeah, the volumes, yeah, just now cover already, right? Okay, 103, 107. Okay, so this one okay lah. I think tech counters they might jalan as well lah. Okay, and property I see macam more on neutral mode lah. More on neutral mode. Okay, my EG still also neutral for me. Okay, other market go up today they sell down. Okay, but the price range not much lah, so we can consider as a neutral. Okay, so for my EG 875, too many line here. 875, 865 is a crucial support. Stay above is still okay. Okay, they might continue sideways. Okay, their pattern they very like to go sideways one. So now they are in the sideways mode lah. Okay, not much movement in my opinion. Okay, but at least they recovered already. Okay, then not much movement lah. Okay, maybe not in the team. Okay, not in the team play. Okay, pertama, okay lah, volume improve sikit lah. Okay, so yesterday come back to test 120. Today open gap out sikit, tapi also by end of day kena press down a bit lah. Okay, so for pertama discounters they need to clear 150 they need to break out above 150 only boleh jalan otherwise they are more on sideways mode, and most importantly cannot break down 120. Okay, below 120 tak cantik lah. Okay, our tech rich tech okay, new counters February until now. Today are the volumes. Okay, new counters and February until now. So it's about 2 months only. Okay, so actually it's quite difficult for me to understand their overall sentiment. Okay, what I can see is on 17th of February they do have a open gap out and sell down. Okay, then the remaining days market is like diam-diam tak ada apa-apa punya lah. And today suddenly push out. Okay, so this one maybe I use a 50-minute charts and see anything. Okay, based on today's today okay, at least we can see the volume comes in quite consistent. Okay, until end of day. Okay, so morning 9 a.m. already got volumes until now. So I would say they are still in a good shape. Okay, still in a good shape. So maybe I will use here as the support lah, 225. Okay, so meaning so long above 225, maybe they are still good. Okay, maybe they are still good. But this is a new counters lah, right? So forgive me very susah to analyze based on these about 2 months data only. Okay, Tan Chong at the volume lah, you can see. Actually Monday they have a first signal already. Last Friday also volume come in but no confirmation yet. Monday come in, maybe you can say no confirmation yet because the candle macam tak begitu cantik. Tuesday another strong push out. Okay, so this one if we zoom out, okay, let me zoom out and see this counter was a downtrending counters okay, downtrending counters yeah, volume ada, chances ada, tapi approaching resistance already lah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, these 3 days are the volume so just in case lah just in case they are just pump and dump activities lah. So just be careful sikit lah. Okay, if you entered earlier, take note here and here. Okay, which is a 200 MA's level, and current price is 450 already lah. So the upside maybe is about another 10%. So you need to take note already. And yeah, if you just plan to go in, I would say you are taking a lot of risk. Okay, so how about the macro? This one also, this one I remember is what cashier punya stocks cashier punya factory if not mistaken. Okay, these Tencent counters, okay, ever since they break down below 160 already considered downtrending. So today volume improved sikit, but so only lah so only. And you know their characteristic is like that one, okay? They can sideways for a couple of months. They only have direction, move out or move down, okay? So the most recent one is they break down 140, then they continue sideways. So the next move, you also need to see whether they want to break out or break down. Okay, you can see the pattern macam ini. Okay, macam go down ladder, go down like that. Okay, now I expect they might continue sideways, then only decide on the upside or downside. Okay, so maybe based on here, what I can draw is where is a resistance. Okay, maybe I can put a 135 and 115. Okay, so I expect they might sideways within 115 to 135 until they break out either way. Okay, then baru boleh jalan lah. But actually from 2020 they do uptrend until 2023. After 2023 they started to turn weak already. Okay, now they are more on downtrend. I would say they are more on downtrend. Okay, how about IFCA? Okay, ada volumes, momentum boleh, ada chance? I think yes lah. Okay, I think yes. Okay, tapi even though ada chance, they also need a confirmation lah. Okay, they need to break through 425. Okay, volume wise, I would say okay, today is a bullish candle, volume boleh tahan. Okay, but they need to clear here lah. Okay, once they can clear here 425, you may see some short-term opportunity lah. Okay, if they are not able to clear 425, they may come back down and continue sideways. Okay, so this one, yeah, if happen, they can come somewhere around 415. You can see look and go below 40 cents. Cut loss lah, touch until already below 40 cents. Our tech just now cover already is speaking about the chance based on today's 1 day show candle. I think ada lah. Okay, so Mr. DIY buat sendiri punya incheck. Okay, so far so good. Yeah, today pull out further. Tapi yeah, lack of volumes. I would say lack of volumes. But so far so good lah, still okay lah. Okay, previously they already break out 150, break out 160. So I think they are following their own pace. Okay, and next resistance, take note here low, was a support, now turn into resistance 177. Okay, due to they are still below 200 MAs lah, so I would say just be cautious only lah, just like that. And take note here is a level, okay, or the place for you to at least, okay, protect a bit, okay, protect some profit. Okay, if you take profit, the profit is your money. Okay, if you no take profit, it's just a paper profit. Okay, just show on the P&L only lah. Okay, Shang is still in the downtrend. Okay, it's still in the downtrend. Okay, recently break 195, break 185, break 167. Okay, potential rebound or not? Not much volumes. This one. Okay, they need more volumes. Okay, they need more volumes. 167. Okay, maybe I pull down to. Okay, let me delete all lah. Okay, start over again. 16. Okay, maybe I give them one level, 165, and cannot break below 158. Okay, so if they are able to clear above 165, maybe short term may have some bounce up. But if they go below 158, sorry lah, they may continue sell down. Overall, I would say actually not much volumes. Okay, not much volume recently, and this counter is still in a downtrending. So yeah, even can go up. I don't think can go up too much. Okay, maybe 17 something, 180 like that only. Okay, but for me, it's still weak. Okay, so how about the DFX? Okay, let me see what's that. Oh, penny stocks. This one no game already lah. Okay, based on what I see. Okay, they last year just done a pump and dump. Okay, back in June 2024. So now they are washing and they are disposing and washing everyone out lah. So the sideways could take up couple of months or years. Okay, they only will come back lah. Okay, case studies. Oh, you can see they have a cycle one. Okay, let me delete all the lines. You can see every few years they will have a spike out, spike out, spike out, and spike out. Okay, so yeah, let's do a calculation here. Okay, you can see back in 2015, after they have a spike out, they sideways 800 days. Okay, then 2018 they have a spike out, so about 3 years almost. Okay, then 2018 after the spike finish, they sideways. Okay, until 2020, also about 800 days. Okay, 800 or 900 days lah. Okay, so 2020 spike out and sell down. Then we see lah, about 600 days. Okay, if you want to pull up further, I can say 6 to 800 days as well lah. Okay, so now, okay, these counters, they baru sell down only. So if speaking about the 800 days, okay, maybe the next cycle is 2027, maybe. Okay, so 2027, 2028 like that, 2028 like that. So yeah, based on here, I think, yeah, they might sideways for a long time. Okay, here also can 2009 until 2015 6 years. So this one, the spike is just over, so I expect they may take some time lah. Okay, so not so soon lah. Okay, based on their pattern you can see every few years they make money once, then they double already. Okay, so how about the Opstar? Okay, Opstar, the momentum okay. Volume 10, 11, 14. Sideways. Today ada volumes. Okay, so this one we can KFV lah. Okay, can KFV. Today volume improve. You can see today's volume is better than the previous days. MACD boleh tahan. Okay, so consider we can say today consider breakout above 565. Closing price 575. Okay, provided market sentiment okay, I think next level 625, 660. Okay, so yep, this one Opstar boleh, tapi yeah, also need to know lah, they are downtrend. Okay, tapi okay lah, cantik juga lah. Short term momentum, short term opportunity, yes. Sunview, no view yet. Okay, no view yet. Still okay, even though they have such a good volumes, but you can see today macam no strength to go up further. Okay, for Sunview to make a comeback, indeed they have volumes lah. Tapi the price action not really give power. Okay, for Sunview they need to go back above 40 cents. Okay, once they can go above 40 cents, I think we may see some potential bottoming. Okay, now I see they are still not so strong. Okay, I need a strong comeback above 40 cents. Then maybe we can plan for the trade lah. Okay, how about the data prep? No good. Okay, no good yet. You can see data prep recently they have a pump up, but they are not able to go through 155. Gonna sell down already. Okay, so not strong yet. We haven't seen anything. Okay, no opportunity yet lah. Based on the technical point of view. Okay, unique. Unique already broken down below 200 MAs. For me, is no good. Okay, it's a no good already. So some more not much volumes lah. Not much volumes. Okay, so this one I will still put a neutral on them yet. Okay, I will say they are still below 200 MAs. Yeah, even though short term the price action looks like they had a chance to pull up further, but lack of volumes lah. Okay, not enough volumes. Okay, cannot convince me yet lah. This one. Okay, how about the SL Force? Yeah, lagi weak this one. SL Force, XL Force is still in the downtrending mood. Okay, yeah, even though recently, okay, let me delete all the lines. Okay, even though recently has volumes, but you can see 19th of March they have volume pump out, but gonna sell down. Okay, 7th of April they gonna sell down until now. Not really have strength leh. Okay, so this one I think still need to give them some time. Okay, tentatively their support is a 20 cents, but no opportunity yet lah. Okay, how about the next G? Okay, next G is still good. Okay, so long above 345, still okay. Tapi I'm seeing they might just go out to fill the gap, which is somewhere around 40 cents, and also in conjunction with 200 MAs. Okay, Yong Tai. Okay, sorry, Yong Tai. Yong Tai, if wanted to comment, I would say they still have chance lah. Okay, as these few days, okay, 27 March, 14 April, 18th of April, and even today, the volume not too bad. Okay, so pending for the breakout above 180. Okay, once they can clear 180, I think they will have some bigger movement lah. Okay, and based on the volume momentum, I think okay this one. Okay, okay lah. Okay, how about the CBHP from Aaron? Okay, volume not so much. Okay, new counters right back in 16th of January. So today April already lah. So about 3 months only these counters. So IPO first few days they memang jalan sikit lah. After that sell down already lah. Okay, today jalan tapi not much volumes lah. Not so convinced. Okay, so what I see is because they have a gap down on 7th of April, so they just go up to fill the gap. Okay, current price 270, and I expect maybe they will test a 275 lah. Okay, then only see whether they can close above 275 or not. Okay, even though today go up, but not so convince me due to the volumes. Okay, only not too huge volume for me. Okay, how about the don't have discounters plans. Okay, 99 Smart. I thought we just covered last Monday. 99 Smart if not wrong Monday we just covered, and I do mention 215 and 218 is the support zone. Okay, but today go up already. Today go up to 223. So if miss out already, then maybe need to wait lah. Okay, so hopefully they can just going sideways like that lah. Okay, so maybe at the moment today volume okay saja lah boleh tahan saja. Okay, I would say so long they are above 215. Okay, the breakout is still valid. Okay, the breakout is still valid. Below 215, tak cantik lah. So, okay lah, boleh tengok lah. Boleh tengok. Yeah, boleh lah. Don't break below 2. Okay, don't, as long as above 215, okay lah. Next G we covered already. We go for the UWC. Okay, for ND. Okay, UWC. Sama juga. Okay, same with some of the counters like Inari, DNO, something like that. Okay, they also quite similar pattern. Okay, they are just sideways within the zone. Okay, and we still cannot, okay, technical point of view, we still cannot say, they are bullish or what. Okay, but from here, we can see they are doing a sideways around this zone, and you can see, especially here, okay, they have volumes. Okay, so technical point of view, they need to have a breakout. Okay, they need to break out, then they baru boleh jalan lah. Okay, otherwise, I will say, they are just sideways here. Okay, doesn't mean they will go up one. Okay, but based on the volumes and the formation, okay, we can speculate maybe this is a bottoming. Okay, but also need a but lah. If they break below 150, no game. They might continue sell down. Okay, due to they have a gap here, right? So if they are able to break through 186, next level 199. Okay, this will be your immediate R1, R2. Once clear, they will have brighter future lah. Maybe to 250 level. Okay, maybe lah. Okay, maybe 240, 250 is your next resistance. Okay, so technical point of view, I would say, okay, I cannot put in a watch list due to they yet to have show a confirmation. But speaking about the chances, I would say, yeah, the chances is increasing. Okay, just need a confirmation. Okay, I need a strong price action comeback. Okay, but yeah, worth to monitor. Yeah, okay lah. Okay, MRCB. Okay, MRCB, or at least they recover back above 40 cents. Okay, when they retest 40 cents, they can get supported. Okay, so yeah, even though this is a downtrending counters already are considered, okay, but at least they recently climbed back above 20 MA and today go back above 50 MA. So for me, it's a good try. Okay, so for short term, yeah, still okay. Volume point of view, today improve lah, consider improve lah. Okay, so for MRCB, so long 425. Okay, so long they are above 425. Short term momentum is there. Okay, then next level to break through 450 lah. Once they can break 450, then you can see 480 already. So watchable MRCB, okay lah, watchable lah. Okay, PLA BS. This one for me, I would not chase already lah. Okay, but if I'm not mistaken, these counters we review on Monday, and the line is still here, 2752880. Okay, this would be your ideal support. Okay, if you miss out already, then no point already lah, no point already. Okay, because your next resistance is a 30 cents level. Okay, data prep, no game yet. Okay, no game yet. So it's better to avoid first lah. Okay, avoid first. Okay, how about the Girlfriend Malaysia? Okay, GFM. Okay, they are still in the downtrend lah. Okay, this GFM they have a gap down on last year July. Okay, ever since the gap down they sell down until today. Okay, July, then August breakdown below 200 MAs, downtrend. Okay, so overall, a GFM is still in a bad shape lah. I would say they are still in the downtrend. Okay, volumes 789, they have volumes. Let me see what I can do with these counters. Oh, okay. It's 10 cent, 20 cents counters. Not much volumes. Okay. So let me see. Okay, the volume is here. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 14 of April, they have volume supported around this zone. So maybe we can say 165 to 190 is a support zone. But if even they can bounce out, you also need to take note lah, 215. Okay, for me is a minor support level, and they are still pressured by the 200 MAs lah. Okay, so like that only loh. Okay, like that only loh. Okay, MFLA, next one. Tofu we covered already. If later got time, we come back lah. Okay, MFLA. Okay, they do have a breakdown on 7th of April, and they make a comeback. Okay, Thursday, Friday, they make a comeback already. Okay, Friday they recover back above 460. Okay, tentatively these few days you can see actually it's a 10th of April lah. Okay, 10th of April, 11th of April, they recover above 20 MAs. Okay, these few days is more on neutral mode. Okay, you can see the trading volumes also only lah. Okay, not so much, but at least it's a good try for them to recover above 20 MAs. So for this MFLA momentum ada. Okay, so long they are above 460. Okay, I will say okay lah, boleh tahan lah this one. MFLA. Okay, so I think watchable lah, watchable. And resistant, okay, we use a previous support as a resistant, 495510. Okay, as your R1, R2. Okay, how about the MAG? MAG is still okay lah. They not really have big movement yet. Okay, so as you can see lah, the pattern they like to pump up, sideways, pump up, sideways, pump up, sideways. Okay, so this one since last year until now already. So until now, I would say so long above 60 cents, still okay lah. Okay, just you need to know lah. Or they might sideways for a couple of months. January until March, okay, sideways for about 2 months. They baru boleh jalan. Okay, here also November until December, okay, sideways for 1 month. This one lagi worse. You can see last year May, May sideways until November. Okay, sideways for 6 months. Okay, so this one they just started lah. So I think they might continue sideways. So long they didn't break below crucial support, the game is still on. Okay, hopefully lah. How about the AWC? Okay, rebounding mode is still on. Okay, last week, Thursday, Friday, they have volume pump up. Monday, Tuesday, they are more on a small retracement mode. And today, volume come back. Okay, at the volume lah, they pump up and break above 750 closing price 755. Okay, based on here, I think AWC looks not bad. Okay, and take note on the gap resistance. Okay, this is happened back in 11th of March and also in conjunction with a 50 MA. Okay, which is between 815 835. Okay, this is your next resistance. Okay, and also you can see previously was a very strong support. They open gap down, now turn into resistance. So this would be your strong resistance. Okay, so long they are above 715. Next level is here lah. Okay, so this one watchable or not? I think yes lah. Okay, short term ada opportunity lah. Okay, so Danai. No game Let me see Okay, 15 April ada volumes. Today volume improve. Okay, it's speaking about game. I think maybe ada. Okay, yeah, as long as they are above 10 cent. Okay, as long as they are above 10 cent, I think okay to KIV. And maximum, I will say maybe you see until here only 135140. Okay, if they go below 10 cent, tak cantik lah, cut loss lah, cabut lah. Okay, review Inta. Okay, today are the volumes. Okay, at least they made a comeback as well. Okay, previously back in March, they already broken down below 200 MAs. Okay, deep down. Okay, deep down to 365. Okay, then they make a comeback. Okay, recover back above 430. And today close 460 and with volumes. So I would say okay. MACD crossover. Okay, this one, as long as they are above 430, I will say they are still good lah. Okay, still ada chance. And hopefully they can go to 480 lah. Okay. Okay, so Harlin. Okay, so far so good lah. This one, no problem lah. Okay, above 50 cents, still good. Okay, above 50 cents, still good. Okay, Magma. Okay, so far, okay, they are still bullish lah. Okay, they are still bullish. If you in already, yeah, of course you can slowly take partial profit. If you yet to go in, yeah, not now already lah, too late already. Genitech, how is it? Okay, Genitech, okay. Okay, volume okay. Today volume improved as well lah. So so long they are above 1 ringgit, above 950, I think okay. And take note on the next resistance, 119. Okay, so yeah, I think okay lah. This one I will also put in your watch list. Okay, as long as they don't break below 950, should be good. Okay, for Genitech. Okay, how about the JF Tech? JF Tech, you see the volume also improve. So on 10th of April, they already have volumes come in. So 40 cents 40 cents for, 40 cents 405 is a support. Okay, maybe 40 cents 410 is a support. Okay, volume improve. Maybe they might attract some short-term bounce up. Okay, 20 MA first row, right? 450 lah. Okay, once they can clear 450, there's a gap somewhere around 495. Okay, so this one also okay. Genitech also okay for short-term momentum. Okay, provided the market sentiment is still good lah. Okay, the US market sentiment. Tomorrow wake up, you see lah. If they close like 500, 700 points above for like Dow Jones, I think our market still okay. Okay. But on the other hand, okay, if suddenly negative, then memang no good lah. Okay, so Supermax come back to support already. So take note on 790. Okay, so long above 790, the support is still okay. Okay, because previously they have a breakout, come back support. Okay, above 790, support is still good. Tapi if they break below 790, sorry lah, tak cantik already lah. Okay, so many fly today, like rambang mata to choose. How to manage priority to enter. Okay, for me, I will personally prefer those counters that not really drop even though market sentiment is very bad. Okay, they do have more potential lah. And also maybe the second priority is the maybe tech counters. So okay, usually tech counters is very fast and furious in my opinion. And yeah, just now I do spotted some of the good setup counters. Okay, I will share in the Telegram later. Okay, so yeah, maybe you can use as a case studies. Okay, even I think Monday I also have share couple of counters which not too bad looking as well. Okay, President Trump's be nice already. Okay, for me based on my understanding on Trump when market is oversold, very fearful time okay, oversold okay, especially you see US market they drop too much he will come out with good news to manipulate the market. Okay, when the market overheat, okay, you see the market every day go up, he will come out with some bad news, okay, to cool down the market. Okay, so as long as you catch his catch his personality or catch his pattern, you can agak the market sentiment already. Okay, he is like it or not, at least you can predictable okay, if you understand him. Okay, don't hate him or don't like him. Okay, just be neutral and try to understand him. Okay, understand his pattern. Okay, then you can understand the market already. Okay, so this SNS today volume improve. Okay, so SNS actually in fact they are weak, right? They are below 200 MAs already. So recently also have a drop. Okay, but also they found a bottom 340, 380. Okay, volume today improve. Okay, so based on here, I think quite a lot of counters they have short-term opportunity. So long above 405, I think okay. Then you take note on 440, then 440, 450 as your R1, R2, 475, 50 cents. Yeah, for me at the moment, okay, what we can expect on current market is volatile. Okay, so got good and bad lah. Okay, good is maybe you got chance to get at the lower price. Okay, and anyway, when you see your your counters, okay, have a good profit already, try to take partial first. Okay, in case suddenly you turn right? So anyway, try to take partial profit. Okay, if you see got good profit already lah. And if you see recently the hoo-ha things those market drop is a man-made, okay, man-made crisis in my opinion, or we can say it's a man-made crash. Okay, he suddenly do the crash only so he can make it come back lah. So for me it's not really a black swan or what. Okay, even yes, it also is a artificial one lah. Okay, so you see previously he say tariff on China, and what another one is okay, with a POA one. Okay, he want to fire the Fed. Okay, market drop due to that one, right? Yesterday come out say no more already. So market recovered already. Later when the market go up a lot already he will come out to say something again. Okay, this is you need to expect this might happen lah. Okay, Dialog so far so weak lah. Okay, they are still in the sideway lah. Okay, for Dialog to make a comeback they need to go back above 138 baru ada hope. Okay, otherwise no. Okay, I noticed quite a lot of people, they read the news, okay, they read the headline, okay, and what they do is they just blame Donald Trump or they blame China, okay, blame everything lah, okay, but they didn't do a self-reflection, okay. Actually, what you can learn or what you can earn from this opportunity, right? So for me, I see it as opportunity lah, okay. Okay, how about Dayang? If you blame, you marah, you won't make any money one, right? So why not just try to take opportunity to earn money from these hoo-ha things, right? Okay, Dayang. Dayang is still weak lah. Okay, it's still very weak, and it's still below all moving averages. So tentatively, take note on the support lah, 155-160. Okay, stay above. I think maybe got chance to bounce up a little bit more, maybe to 175, 187. Okay, just like that lah. For me, if you're interested lah, 160 lah as your immediate support. Yeah, he is a businessman, so what he sees is the benefit only. Okay, so as long as every country can give him the benefit he wanted, then all boleh discuss lah, all boleh bincang lah. Okay, so let me see. I'm still watching the market lah. Okay, Liform. Liform break out above 145 already right? Okay, hold on. Let me load the chart. Okay, the connection a little bit slow. Okay, Liform, you can see when was that? 2024 January. They just do a rub. I would say it looks like a rug pull already lah. Pump out and sell down. Sideway for, okay, since last year January, they sideway until now lah. So meaning they collected the the ticket for 1 year already lah. So April, okay, 15th of April onwards, they come back already. Okay, and recently break out above 145 lah. Okay, so long above 145, watchable lah. Okay, watchable. Okay, and take note on the next resistance, 180. Okay, last one, MSM. Boleh juga lah MSM. Okay, MSM also recently they also break below the crucial support 105, 108, but they already made a comeback. Okay, make a comeback on 11th of April, and tentatively they are standing firm above 105, 108. So long above, still alright. Okay, just you can see recently they don't have much volumes lah. So just expect they might continue sideways. Okay, sideways, but at least they recovered from the worst. Okay, so I will say still okay. If happen go up, take note on the 130, 133 as your immediate resistance. Okay, so that's all for tonight. Okay, and thank you Sifu for having me here. If you yet to download Sifu apps, they are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store. And also they do have an interactive live chat. So for those who need a live chat, you may subscribe to their service. Okay, so for those who need today's KIV list from the discussion, you may screenshot this QR code and join my Telegram. Okay, later I will share the watch list, okay, case studies for us to KIV lah. So if you see the counters, then you play back the videos, then at least you can do some practice lah. Okay, paper trade also can, case studies also can lah. Okay, so yeah, most importantly, not a buy or sell recommendation or for education purposes. Okay, so that's all for tonight, and thank you everyone. Happy tradings. Okay, see you guys next Monday, 8:30. Thank you.